So we are going to talk about LTE uplink features and power consumption. Power consumption. First of all, we'll take RACH, random access channel. That is one of the procedure where the UE has when the UE has to connect to the network. It is like knocking the door in order to provide the data and all. So function used by the UE user equipment to initiate the communication with the network. Example like knocking on the door to request the entry. So power usage is very high. So RAS process already it has been explained in the videos. So why the power usage is high? So RAS process it comes with the SSP burst transmission, and after that there is a four message process as well. So this process has a high power usage. So initial connection that generally has lot of power usage, and without the power control this happens. And burst transmission, as I already told, that there is a SSB, synchronization signal block. So there is a SSB burst happening in the RACH, random access channel. So here the power usage is high. And coming to PUSCH, physical uplink shared channel, the function is that it will transmit the user data and control information after the connection is established. So physical uplink shared channel where the transmission of user data happens. So example like uploading the file to the internet, and power usage is really very high. Power usage is high. So it will depend on the data rate and the path loss. Data rate in the sense, uh, if there is, whenever we'll be transmitting the data or uploading the file, if it is of more bytes, then the power usage will be comparatively high compared to the file which is of lesser bytes. So PUSCH, physical uplink shared channel, will transmit the user data and control information after the connection is established. So power usage is high in PUSCH. Then coming to PUCCH, physical uplink control channel. So it will send the control information like acknowledgement, not acknowledgement, and channel quality indicator. So it's a control channel. There will be no much of a power usage here, because acknowledgement, not acknowledgement is about 1 bit transmission, and CQI maybe probably 1 bit or more than that. But the PUCCH it will be low compared to the physical uplink shared channel, because there the data is getting transmitted. Here the it will send the control information like acknowledgement, not acknowledgement, and secure, like sending a quick acknowledgement mail. Power usage is very low. It will use the fewer resource blocks. Okay. And then coming to IDRX and CDRX. IDRX is idle mode discontinuous reception, CDRX is connected mode discontinuous reception. So IDRX, CDRX in depth I've already explained in the one of the videos. So IDRX function, it will allow the UE to sleep and periodically wake up, check for the paging. Means idle mode. In the idle mode or in the inactive mode, the UE will have a active DRX or inactive DRX. So means it will check for the uh, paging signal. So for that there will be periodic on and off of the UE basically. So like checking your phone notification occasionally while it's locked. So power usage is very low because it is already in idle mode, and idle mode, the UE will be in idle mode, but it will wake up periodically so that uh, it can receive any paging signal from the base station in order for like PDCCH downlink scheduling, that message. So device it is mostly in the sleep mode itself. So the power usage will be very low. Coming to connected mode discontinuous reception function, UE will sleep and wake up periodically while maintaining the connection. So while maintaining the connection, periodic wake up and sleep mode is there, and that I have already explained in connected mode. There are a lot of factors, like short DRX cycle and long DRX cycle. or setting up the timers, DRX inactivity timer, or setting up a timer if there is a error message, setting up a timer, hark RTT timer, and DRX retransmission timer. All these setting these timers and all in the connected DRX mode, it will uh, make the make the UE uh, more advanced and more advanced, and the lot of power will be saved here. So power usage is very low and more active than the IDRX. Of course, in idle mode there will be no connection. Here CDX, as the name itself suggests that it will be in a connected mode, but it will have a discontinuous reception. So power usage will be low, but not lower than compared to IDRX. So coming to SRS, sounding reference signals, and DMRS, demodulation reference signal. Sounding reference signal, it will help the network measure uplink channel quality. It will help the network measure the uplink channel quality. Example, like sending an echo to measure the distance. It will help the network measure the uplink channel quality. Sending an echo to measure the distance. So power usage is low to medium. So it will vary with the frequency and periodicity. SAR sounding reference signal, it will help network measure the uplink channel quality, like sending an echo to measure the distance, and power usage is low to medium. Why it will be low to medium? It will because it will vary depending on the frequency and periodicity. DMRS, demodulation reference signal, is already a part. It is already embedded in the PUSCH or PUCCH. So embedded signal aiding data decoding in PUCCH or PUSCH. It's already part of PUSCH or PUCCH. So example, like adding subtitles to a movie to understand the dialogue. So power usage is very low because minimal as it is a part of the other signal itself. So power consumption ranking from high to low. So PUSCH, it will consume high power because it will be continuous data transmission, uploading, uploading of files will happen here. So high power usage will happen, and then our RATch process. Uh, this is also considered as high power usage because initial strong signal burst will happen. SSP burst will happen, and then PUCCH power usage is medium because short control messages. PUCCH, it is a short control message like acknowledgement, not acknowledgement, or CQ channel quality indicator. There will be one bit transmission, so medium. And SRS is signal. SRS signals, they are low to medium. It it all depends on the frequency. So periodic channel sounding. CDRX, it is low connected mode discontinuous reception. There will be periodic sleep cycle, so it is low power consumption. And IDRX is very low because most of the time that UE will be in the sleep mode itself. It will have a it will have active DRX and inactive DRX periodically, so it will be very low. And DMRS, as it is a part of other signal, and uh, like it will be like subtitles to the signal, so energy consumption is very low.